to remote battery and health alerts. The Ola Electric app keeps you updated about your scooter. In case you ever need to service your S1, the app allows you to seamlessly make an appointment for your at home service. The app also allows you to control all essential functions like locking and unlocking your scooter with just a tap. That's not the only way to control your Ola S1. Powered by a multi-microphone array and AI speech recognition algorithms that we've built in-house, the Ola scooter can be controlled with your voice. Just say, "Hey Ola, play some music." Increase the volume. That's one of my favorite songs. And it sounds even better coming from the Ola scooter built-in speakers. Yes, the Ola scooter comes with built-in speakers, so you can take the party on the road. Oh, and you can take calls with a tap on the control pad or with your voice. Let's take this one. "Hey Ola, accept the call." Raftar, what's up, man? I was just listening to your song on the Ola scooter.
Mere bhai, your scooter is just insane. And I have been riding it all day. Man, there are just so many features I love. और अपना एक्सपीरियंस ना मैं अपने तरीके से ही बताता हूँ। यार आज सबसे बड़ी गलतफहमी दूर हो गई कि स्कूटर पे ना वाइब नहीं आती। I thought भागेगी नहीं, but this one runs like a beast, man. And ऊपर से इलेक्ट्रिक, कोई शोर नहीं है। मतलब आराम से मैं गाने सुनता हुआ आ रहा था और इसके अंदर स्पीकर भी थे। तो मजा आ रहा था, सड़कों पे पार्टी चल रही थी। और मुझे लगा कितनी चलती होगी, तो बहुत भगाई। सारी टेस्ट ड्राइव ले लिया, सब करके देख लिया इसके साथ। और बूट स्पेस भी बहुत है। 2 हेलमेट आ जाते हैं, एक तुम्हारा, एक तुम्हारी बंदी का। जीवन सफल है भाई। और सबसे गजब फीचर, इसमें क्रूज कंट्रोल है भाई। मतलब 4 पहियों वाला मजा 2 पहियों में। And now the display is so big, you will get maps and everything, man. I think this is something that every college-going guy, every girl, everybody in every field is going to love. Stress-free, silent, Ola Electric. मजा आ गया.
So that is the Ola S1. Let's now do a quick recap. The S1 has the best design, 10 stunning colors, iconic headlamps, and a large boot space for 2 helmets. It has the best performance in its category, 0 to 40 in just 3 seconds, a top speed of 115 kilometers per hour, and a range of 181 kilometers on a single charge. It has the best technology, proximity unlock, moods, personalized vehicle sounds, voice controls, and many, many more such amazing, incredible, and even magical features. The S1, quite simply, is actually the best scooter ever built. Our scooter comes in 2 variants, the S1 and the S1 Pro. The S1, with its 121 kilometer range and 90 kilometer per hour top speed, sets the industry benchmark. And the S1 Pro takes it even further, with 181 kilometers of range and a mind-blowing top speed of 115 kilometers per hour. You've all been asking me, kitne ka hai aur kab milega? With a beautiful design, the most powerful motor, the most advanced vehicle computer, incredible range, next-gen digital tech, proximity unlock, Move OS, moods, custom sounds, profiles, and just so much more. The S1 is truly a revolution. And a revolutionary product deserves a revolutionary price. So, kitne ka hai? The S1 comes for just 99,999 and the S1 Pro for 129,999. And we have some great EMI options for you too. With state subsidies, the S1 and the S1 Pro become even more affordable. In Delhi, with the state subsidies adjusted, the S1 is just 85,099 rupees and the S1 Pro is just 110,149 rupees, making them more affordable than most petrol scooters. In Gujarat, it's even better with S1 at 79,999 and S1 Pro at just 109,999 respectively. Those of you who have reserved can purchase starting September 8th and we'll start deliveries in October. And if you haven't already, head over to olaelectric.com and reserve your favorite color and variant today so that we can bring you the scooter as soon as possible. Climate change is real. and we will all have to be the change we want to see. The future is going to be electric, and I hope that our investments in the Future Factory and the revolutionary product we announced today will encourage all of you consumers and industry to reject petrol and truly commit to electric. But this moment here today is about much more than climate change. Our Prime Minister has laid out an inspiring vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Make in India. The 21st century is up for grabs, and we are competing with many, many countries to lead the next century. And for too long, we've been the 5th largest car market, the 5th largest renewable market, or the 2nd largest innovation destination. But now it's time for India to be number 1. It's time for India to lead the world in electrification and build the technologies of the future here in India for the entire world. Today, we are announcing Mission Electric with the goal that after 2025, no more petrol two-wheelers will be sold in India. This is a call to consumers and to industry to truly commit to electric. Doing this is certainly not going to be easy, but I believe that together we can and we must. The climate needs it, the world wants it, and our country definitely deserves it. Jai Hind.